Hi kindergartners, welcome to math time. Today we're going to be learning about how we can show the numbers 6, 7, and 8 as a group of 5 and some more. Let's see if we can warm our brains up by practicing some subitizing. When I flash the card, I want you to tell me how many. Are you ready? 4, 1, 9, 10, 7, 3, 8, 2, 5, 6. Good job. You guys got your math brains ready. Go ahead and kiss those brains. Ready? Excellent. So behind me, I have our charts we're going to work with today. We have our 5 frame and we have another 5 frame. We have 2 5 frames. Then we have our number bond. Yep. And we're going to go ahead and label the whole and the parts in the number bond so that it helps us when we're learning later. We know that the whole is over here because it has just one part. So we're going to write a little W so we don't forget that's the whole. Then over here, these are the 2 parts that are going to make up our whole. So we're going to label them P and P for part. Okay. Now, Miss Hamilton's going to put some dots in our 5 frames. I want you to count with me while I put them in. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We have 5 dots in our 5 frame. It's all the way filled up. And you might notice that all of these are the same color. They are all red. Watch what happens when I add just one more. What color is that one? Yes, that one's blue. We're going to stop here because I want to know how many we have all together. So we have 5 red and 1 blue. Let's count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have the numbers 5 and 1, and that makes 6. Let's show what we did in our number bond. We know that we have 5 red, so that's just a part of it. That's not our whole. So we're going to put them the part up here. We have 5 red. How many blue do we have? Good, we have 1 blue. And how many did we have all together? 6. So we're going to put 6 in the whole. Now, we can also write our addition sentence using the numbers. We know that part plus part equals whole. So we're going to have part, which is how many reds? 5, plus the other part, which is how many blues? 1, equals the whole. And what's our whole? 6. Yes, because we have 6 all together. Excellent job, friends. Go ahead and let's give ourselves a roller coaster cheer. Ready? Woo, woo, woo. Excellent job. Now, Miss Hamilton's got another problem for us. What if I go and I add 1 more blue? So I'm going to add 1 more blue dot. I'm going to take this number away, take this number away, take this away, and take this away. But I left the 5s because my 5 frame is already all the way filled up. So I know I'm not going to have any more reds. So if I add one more blue dot, now I have 5 reds. And how many blues? 2 blues. So I know that 2 is the other part to put in my number bonds. Now I want to know what the whole is. So I'm going to practice counting on. I'm going to start with 5, and then I'm going to keep counting. 5, 6, 7. So 5 and 2 is 7 when you put it all together. So that means 7 is the whole. And just like we did before, we can make our addition sentence. 5 plus 2, good job, equals 7. Way to go. So we know that 5 and 2 makes 7. Now I have one more for you. Let's see if we can make the next number. We're going to do that again by taking all of these away, and we're going to add one more blue dot to our 5 frame. Let's see what happens. Do I still have 5 reds? I do. I have 5 reds, and now I have 1, 2, 3 blues. So I'm going to add 3 to the part of my number bond. Now I want to know 5 and 3 makes what? Let's check my picture and count to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 and 3 make 8. So I can put 8 in the whole of my number bond. Now I have to add it down here too in my addition sentence. 5 plus 3, good job, equals 8. Yep, and remember, that means 5 and 3 is the same as 8. Hi friends, on your work packet, you have your own problem set where you are going to show the different ways to make 6, 7, and 8 using your group of 5. I can't wait to see how you do. Good job!